My name is Mujtaba.
My name is Hassan.
And my name is Ibrahim.
Today we are making
Bread cheese roll.
So let's get started.
Today, for making bread cheese roll, following are the ingredients: 6 slices of bread, salt, red chili, cheese, black pepper, allspices powder, 2 eggs, green chili, coriander, yogurt, chicken, and breadcrumbs.
Now we are making bread cheese roll. So our first step is to cut the end slices of the bread. Now, following are the ingredients that should be mixed with the chicken. Firstly, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili, half teaspoon of allspices powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half bowl of chilies, green chili, 1 ball of coriander, half bowl of yogurt. Now mix it well. After mixing it properly, it will look like this.
Now, we are going to fill the mixture in the bread and make it a bread roll. We are going to add cheese on it. Now the real step begins. He will now start to roll the bread to make it a complete bread cheese roll. And dipping it in the egg yolk. We'll add the mixture now into the breadcrumbs. After all of this, it would look like this. Now we will add this bread cheese roll into the fryer.